Hello students, our today's topic is currency types. What is the business scenario for currency types, ledger and accounting principles? Besides GBP as a local currency, the company wants to set up USD dollar as a group or global currency. The company comes to know that SAP recommends ledger approach and wants to know more about it. As the increasing importance of IAS and IFRS as accounting principles heightens the need for improved quality and modeling of segment reporting. So the management wants to set up the ledger with different accounting principles, that is UK GAAP and IFRS. The management wants to set up multiple ledgers to portray parallel accounting with different fiscal year and posting period than the company code. What is the currency type? The currency type specifies the role of a currency in a SAP system. The local and parallel currencies option is available into SAP system through currency types. For example, 10 for local currency and 30 for group currency. Company code currency and document currency must be stored in the data entry view if you define custom currency type for your company code. SAP has provided predefined currency types. In SAP ECC, transaction code OB22 was used to set up additional local currencies for company code, which is now replaced with transaction code FINSC underscore ledger in SAP S4 HANA. Our first step is define settings for ledgers and currency type. For that we can use transaction code for FINSC, that finance underscore ledger, or we can use path SPRO, SAP reference implementation guide, financial accounting global settings, ledger define setting for ledger and currency type. प्रैक्टिकली सैप में देखते हैं कि हम करेंसी टाइप कैसे डिफाइन करें। हम जाते हैं बाय पाथ SPRO, सैप रेफरेंस इम्प्लीमेंटेशन गाइड, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग ग्लोबल सेटिंग, ledger define setting for ledger and currency type. Click on continue button, डबल क्लिक ऑन करेंसी टाइप्स। देखो यहाँ पर हमें दिया है 10 कंपनी कोड करेंसी एंड 30 ग्रुप करेंसी। तो हमें जस्ट चेक करना है कि करेंसी अवेलेबल है या नहीं है। नाउ हम लोग ग्लोबल करेंसी कन्वर्जन पे डबल क्लिक करते हैं, क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू बटन एंड चेक। यहाँ पर देखो 10 कंपनी कोड करेंसी एंड 30 ग्रुप करेंसी है। तो यहाँ पर सेटिंग चेक कर लो एक बार। नेक्स्ट हम क्लिक करते हैं करेंसी कन्वर्जन सेटिंग्स, क्लिक ऑन कंटिन्यू बटन, एंटर, click on position button, enter our company code and check TRE1 हमारा कंपनी कोड, 30 ग्रुप करेंसी USD and company code currency. Our another company code is TUS1, that also available, and our rest of company, that is TRN1 and K1, we will insert currency type 30 USD currency, and here source currency type 10, exchange rate M, and translation date. And another company is TRK1, same setting 30 USD, 10 M and transaction date. There. Click on save button. Click on continue button. Click on create request. Enter transaction currency conversion setting. Come back.